Understanding what happens when the R and G wires touch in your thermostat is key to fixing those annoying fan and air conditioning issues. So, when your thermostat's R wire connects with the G wire, it basically tells the system to turn on the fan only, without cooling or heating. This connection sends voltage from the control board straight to the blower motor, kicking it into gear to circulate air around your home. If the fan doesn't start spinning, that usually points to a problem with the blower motor itself or maybe a faulty relay on the control board. Sometimes, it's as simple as a loose wire or a blown fuse that's stopping the power from getting through. A good tip is to always check the control board's voltage output with a multimeter before assuming the motor is dead. Also, keep an eye on the internal wiring. Corrosion or wear can mess up the signal between R and G wires. If you're hearing the fan trying to start but it won't, that might mean the motor capacitor needs replacing. Regular maintenance like cleaning dust out of the blower wheel can keep things running smooth and prevent overheating issues. One of the biggest mistakes with thermostat fan mode problems is thinking the fan motor is broken before checking if voltage actually reaches it. Always test for power first. Another common issue is ignoring dirty or damaged wiring connections that stop signals from reaching the blower motor. Cleaning and tightening connections usually fix that. Lastly, many people forget about the control board itself. The relay that sends power to the blower motor can fail and cause no fan operation, so swapping out a bad board can save you a headache. BigHomeProjects.com makes finding reliable, local HVAC pros super easy for homeowners who want trusted help with their heating and cooling systems. Plus, contractors get connected with real customers looking for work, making it a win-win for everyone who wants their homes comfy without stress.